Hi, I'm Aiden. I want to show you how cool this is. See this? It's a track. It's a track you can take apart, and you press the Lego thing down, push it up when it goes over bumps. Does that. It steers, has a track. I'll show you as the engine. This is the Lego engine right here. You get it from Toys R Us in the Lego section. There's a big Lego section at Toys R Us, and they have this type of Lego. The other ones do, some of them do pull back, let go, drive by themselves, and one is $1,100. It's a bulldozer, and then it has a motor that's a real motor because it runs on batteries, and it has a remote control. I just wanted to show you how cool this is. Bye.